Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your closed CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you unlink or remove your Gmail account from your closed CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to unlink your Gmail from closed CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that sometimes you connect the wrong Gmail account, so you want to be sure to disconnect it from your closed CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your closed CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my closed CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to disconnect a Gmail account, here on the left side at the bottom, you're going to click on settings. It looks like a gear icon. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to scroll down until you see this button here called accounts and apps. Okay, once you're there, you're going to see the different Gmail accounts you might have connected. So look for the one you want to remove. So for example, this one right here. And then off to the right, you're going to see this little pencil icon. Click on there. Okay, so once you click there, you're going to see more information about your Gmail account you connected to closed CRM. And in order to disconnect it, scroll all the way to the bottom. Okay, once you scroll to the bottom, you're going to see this red button here called Remove Account. Go ahead and click on there. Okay, once you click there, you're going to get this warning that if you remove your Gmail from closed CRM, you will no longer be able to send or receive emails inside your closed CRM, sync calendar events. If you're okay with that, go ahead and click on confirm and remove. Okay, quick second later, the page refreshes back into my accounts and apps. And as you can see, my Gmail has now been removed from my closed CRM. So if I want to send or receive email from my Gmail using my closed CRM, I'll have to reconnect it right here. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unconnect a Gmail account from your closed CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.